Hey guys, here is our Think Aloud in your Think Up book for Thursday. You're going to be on page 86, so grab your Think Up book, come back with me, and we will get started. All right, we're looking at number 7 and number 8 today. Number 7 says, Randy works as a plumber. To repair a sink, he needs a pipe between 7/10 of an inch and 8/10 inch wide. Write 2 widths that he could use. So, okay, I'm looking for something between 7/10 inch and 8/10 inch. And what's really nice is that they've given me a number line over here. So 7/10 and 8/10, and I want something that's in between those. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line here and a line here. And remember we talked about our goalposts? So I need something that goes in there that will get me my field goal, okay? I need to get those points. The other thing that we need to remember is that we are going to change these tenths into hundredths. Remember, it's the same value. If I have 7 dimes or if I have 70 pennies, I have the same amount of money. If I have 8 dimes or 80 pennies, I have the same amount of money. So what goes in between 70 hundredths and 80 hundredths is what I'm looking for right now. So this would be 71 hundredths, 72 hundredths, 73 hundredths, and I know you have to write really small, guys. That's why I am alternating from the top of the number line to the bottom of the number line. All right, right here we've got 74 hundredths, 75 hundredths, 76 hundredths, 77 hundredths, 78 hundredths, and 79 hundredths. All I have to do now is choose 2 widths that are in between there, 2 of the numbers that I've written up here, and those will be my answers down here. So I am just going to choose the one closest to 70 hundredths, which is 71 hundredths. And I put a 0 in front of it. It's not necessary to put a 0 in the ones place, but it helps to look at it that way sometimes. And then I'm going to also do the one that's closest to the 80 hundredths. I'm going to put the 2 furthest ones, 79 hundredths. Okay, today what I want you to come back and tell me in a private comment is another width that he could use. You choose another one, any of these between here, and come back and tell it to me in the private comment section. All right? Okay, so I'm going to slide this up so you can see the next question. Finley, the class frog, competes in a jumping contest. The lengths of Finley's jumps are shown in the table and the number line. Mark and label each of Finley's jumps on the number line. Okay, so I want to mark and label each of Finley's jumps. So what I've got here, I've got jump number 1, and this says 48 hundredths. Jump number 2 is 31 hundredths, and jump number 3 is 56 hundredths. If I look over here, I've got tenths, and here I've got hundredths. Is there a way to make them match? Yes, there's a way to make them match. I'm going to turn my tenths into hundredths by putting a 0 in the hundredths place. It does not change the value, so it's okay to do that. All right, jump number 1 is 48 hundredths. Here's 40 hundredths, here's 50 hundredths. Well, 48 is really close to 50, so I'm going to put a little mark right here, and then I'm just going to put a number 1, because that, and I'm going to label it on the bottom. 48 hundredths. That seems about right. All right, my second jump is 31 hundredths. Well, that's really close to 30 hundredths. If I'm counting 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, all the way up to 40, 31 would be close to here, and that is jump number 2. Move my hand so you can see. And then down here, I will label 31 hundredths. Last jump, jump number 3, 56 hundredths. Well, there's 50, If I go this way, it'll be in the 40s, so I don't want to go to the left. I want to go to the right. It's somewhere between 50 and 60. Well, I know right in the middle of 50 and 60 is 55. So I want to go a little bit further than the middle, just a little touch. And that is jump number 3. Okay, I've marked it, and now I need to label it. And that is 56 hundredths. Okay, when you're putting things in order, his shortest jump would have been jump number 2. His longest jump would have been jump number 3. Okay, guys, don't forget to do your Imagine Math today. Some of you are skipping that part, and some of you are skipping the part where you come back and tell me the answer that I asked. So remember, today I want a third width that he could use, not one of the ones I already gave you. I want you to choose another one. Come tell it to me in the private comments, and then make sure you're getting that Imagine Math done. You guys have a great Thursday. I will see you again soon.